Welcome to Nursing with Professor B. In today's video, I will be discussing how to create eye-catching thumbnails. Super easy, super simple, and free. But before we get going, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Let's go! Let's go to the website that I use in order to create these eye-catching thumbnails. The website is called Canva. They have a free option. They have a free trial for the premium option, and they have a premium membership. At first, when I started here, I was creating all the thumbnails for free, but I actually did join because it's not that expensive. But again, okay, so let's say that you want to create a thumbnail, you click on thumbnail. It opens up a completely brand new screen. Templates has a lot of neat options. Let's say that I like this effect here of half picture, half this. I'm going to actually copy, command copy. I have a Mac, so I'm command copying, and then I'm going to actually paste it on this one up here. I've pasted it. Let's say I want to move it so that it actually goes this way. I can expand it. So it goes the entire way. And then let's say I like this text though. So I'm going to command copy this text, command V here, and I'm going to change this background color to make it more eye-catching. How to train your puppy. Obviously, if this were the title of it, I would be picking something. I'm going to uploads now. If this were the title, I would be picking something that's relevant, right? I'm going to pick a picture that I've already uploaded here. I can do that. I can position this backward. And this, I'm going to position it forward. We can slide this, we can move this. And then there's so many things that we can do. We can add elements. Remember, you want your thumbnail to pop, but you don't want it to be too busy either. We can add grids, shapes, icons. You know, this isn't relevant to this video, but let's say you wanted to add a little icon, you can do that. You can add the Instagram sign. You can do so much with Canva. I absolutely love it. So, and then the other tip I have is your thumbnail needs to be eye-catching. So from what I've read in studies, they do recommend that your thumbnail be bright, that the contrast be high, and that the saturation be also on the higher end, because the thumbnail is so small that it needs to catch the attention of the viewer. Now, I don't have the best quality camera. I'm shooting with my phone, and my iPhone is super old, so this isn't the best quality. If I was shooting with like a Canon or a Nikon, those kinds of cameras that cost thousands of dollars, then I could be adjusting the brightness on all that. But if your picture is dark, you can brighten it, right? Obviously that looks bad, so I'm not going to do that. But you can add contrast and you can saturate the picture, because by saturating it, it makes it look brighter. It doesn't look good here, but when it's tiny, it catches the attention more. And then if you just want to download this, and the last tip I have for this Canva and uploads and all that is brand yourself. So this is my logo, very simple, that I created, Prof B, and I've been putting it on the edge of all my thumbnails, so people see that it's me branding it. So I just add that. I really wouldn't add this. I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like. I download it. I only want to download page 1. Done. So I download it. Here it is. And obviously I wouldn't say how to train your puppy. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully that helps you grow your channel. Do, do, do.